Databricks, a leader in data and AI platforms, has introduced DBRX, a groundbreaking open-source AI foundation model. Designed to help enterprises build and customize their own AI systems, DBRX represents a significant step forward in making advanced AI more accessible and scalable. With its innovative mixture of experts architecture, this model is set to transform how organizations approach AI applications. Let's dive into what DBRX is, how it works, and why it's so impactful. DBRX is an open-source foundation model, which means it serves as a starting point for creating more specialized AI systems. Unlike closed proprietary models that limit customization, DBRX is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and build upon. This openness is part of Databricks' mission to democratize AI and empower businesses to innovate without being locked into expensive, one-size-fits-all solutions. Foundation models like DBRX are pre-trained on massive datasets, giving them a broad understanding of language, patterns, and concepts. This makes them versatile and capable of powering a wide range of applications, from natural language processing to predictive analytics. What is the mixture of experts architecture? At the heart of DBRX is its mixture of experts architecture, a cutting-edge design that sets it apart from traditional AI models. Here's how it works. Instead of relying on a single, massive neural network to process every task, DBRX uses a collection of specialized experts. Each expert is a smaller model trained to handle a specific type of task or data. When the model receives an input, it dynamically selects the most relevant experts to handle it, rather than engaging the entire network. This approach has two major benefits. 1. Scalability. By activating only the experts needed for a given task, DBRX can process information more efficiently, even as the size of the model grows. This scalability makes it ideal for enterprises with large, complex datasets. 2. Cost and energy efficiency. The mixture of experts design reduces computational requirements, lowering costs and energy consumption. This is a significant advantage in an era where AI training and deployment can be resource-intensive. Why DBRX matters for enterprises? Many businesses today want to harness the power of AI, but face challenges like high costs, limited customization options, and the complexity of building models from scratch. DBRX addresses these issues by providing a flexible, open-source solution that businesses can tailor to their specific needs. Here's what makes DBRX particularly appealing. 1. Customizability. With DBRX, enterprises can fine-tune the model for their unique use cases, whether it's analyzing customer sentiment, forecasting market trends, or optimizing supply chains. This customization ensures that businesses get the most value from their AI systems. 2. Collaboration and community. As an open-source model, DBRX benefits from contributions and improvements made by the global AI community. This fosters innovation and ensures that the model stays up to date with the latest advancements. 3. Accessibility. By removing the barriers of proprietary models, DBRX makes advanced AI accessible to organizations of all sizes, not just tech giants with massive budgets. Smaller companies can now leverage cutting-edge AI without starting from scratch or breaking the bank. 4. Integration with Databricks platform. DBRX is designed to work seamlessly with Databricks' existing tools for data engineering, analytics, and machine learning. This integration streamlines workflows, allowing enterprises to go from raw data to actionable insights faster than ever. Applications of DBRX. The versatility of DBRX opens the door to countless applications across industries. For example, retail, personalize customer experiences and optimize inventory management. Healthcare, improve diagnostic accuracy and accelerate drug discovery. Finance, detect fraud and predict market movements. Manufacturing, optimize production processes and reduce downtime. In each of these cases, DBRX's ability to handle large-scale data efficiently and adapt to specific needs gives businesses a competitive edge. The bigger picture. DBRX is more than just a model. It's a vision for the future of AI. By making AI tools open and accessible, Databricks is empowering organizations to innovate on their own terms. The mixture of experts architecture represents a significant leap forward, demonstrating how AI can be both powerful and efficient. This approach also highlights a broader trend in the AI industry: collaboration over competition. As more companies embrace open-source models like DBRX, the pace of innovation is likely to accelerate, benefiting businesses and society as a whole. The bottom line: Databricks DBRX is poised to redefine what's possible in enterprise AI. With its scalable, efficient, and customizable design, it offers businesses a powerful tool to stay ahead in an increasingly data-driven world. And as an open source model, it invites everyone to participate in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this deep dive, let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe to keep learning.